Can you guys hear me now? Let me know. Let me know if you guys can hear me now. You guys should be able to hear me now. Let me know if you guys can hear me. But you guys should be able to hear me. Can you guys hear me now? Let me know. Let me know if you guys can hear me now. You guys should be able to hear me now. Yeah, perfect. Now you guys. Still no audio? I could hear myself. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Let's go. This is a weekly time frame. So this on gold, what I was seeing here is on the monthly time frame we are bearish, which is okay. But I do see us flipping on this monthly candle. I do see us flipping bullish. Now, why do I see us flipping bullish? Well, we have this uptrending channel at the moment that we've respected already two times. One, two, and then this would be the third tap. More touches, the more valid it is. So it's good to see multiple touches on this. Aside from that, like I said, on the monthly time frame, we are uptrending as we speak. So we were downtrending, now we're uptrending. And I do expect us, also for the past couple of weeks, we have been downtrending due to a lot of economic events going on with the dollar. Like a lot of people panicking that the dollar was going to default that the U.S. was going to default on their loans. So that was also driving the dollar up, and gold being bearish for the past couple of weeks. Um, Now we go also to the weekly. On the weekly, the same channel is also valid on that came from the monthly. We have multiple touches, one, two, three being the third touch. And price, we're seeing, the previous candle was a pretty undecisive bullish candle. So we're seeing that price isn't really too sure if it wants to go to continue to the downside. Now we are seeing what could be a reversal as we speak, right? There's a couple possibilities to this. Come down, reject, reverse, right? And we continue to uptrend. Or we could also just break out right around here. But I don't see as price isn't indicating it wants to break out. We're also seeing a nice bottom wick rejection on the weekly candle as well. So this is good confirmation that we want to flip. Well, we're already bullish that we want to flip to the upside on higher time frames. If we go down to the daily as well, daily, does the daily have no bottom wick on this candle? I don't think so. Yeah, it opened up yesterday. I remember when it opened up. This was a little concerning to me. I'm not gonna lie. When I saw it yesterday, not now, but yesterday when I saw this candle open up, I was thinking for a bit that we were probably no stream on Discord. Yeah, I forgot to send the link out, but I want to finish explaining this real quick before I get distracted with a whole bunch of things. I think I have ADD or something. I don't know, but let me finish this and I'll send the stream to Discord so everybody can pull up. So now what I'm seeing here on the daily we are starting to have some sort of damn, is there news today? I don't think there's news. No, there's no news today. I'm pretty sure I checked. But on the daily we're starting to see price hopefully can engulf this previous candle. Now we're also losing bearish momentum, so it's a good indication that price could want to continue to the upside. As you guys can see, we also have no trend lines at the moment. Nothing. I guess this could be a trend line, but I don't think it's really valid. Daily's looking good though so far. We just have to be careful. Hopefully we can close how it is, or anywhere near this area and not reject. 4 hours also looking nice. We seem to have been losing bearish momentum. We also respected this area of support as well. It does look like we did test the trend line and try to break out of it, but this level of support is pretty strong, as you guys could see. And if we zoom out and look to the left as well, you guys will be able to see this area how pretty strong it is. I guess we can move this area a little bit down. Pretty good. Gold at 1956. 1956. Hey, what's up, Sandra? So let's get the people in the Discord real quick. Let's get the people in the Discord. Love those people. No, why is it? Tell me it's doing. Hmm. Uh, there we go. All right, give me one moment, guys. Let me invite my people over real quick. Nice, nice. We're looking good. We're looking good with these positions. Okay. Discord, Discord, Discord. Boom. All right, people should be joining now. Oh wait, that was a YouTube. Let me. Hey, what's up, Asha? Let me get the Zoom. And guys, anybody who's new here, if you guys are part of the Discord, the reason why people are typing send link to the Discord is because I send out a Zoom link on Discord so you guys can join, talk. If you want to share your screen, see whatever it is you want to look at, um, all there through the Discord. But the only people who have access to that is for the people on the Discord. So. Pull out 1956. That's pretty nice. All right, now we get this link right over here. Copy invite link. Discord. Where's my link? Boom. All right, perfect. Got that going. Go to 1957, 1958 almost. Nice. Nice to see that. So now that I got that, and then let me just also do this, guys. Sorry for the little delay. Boom. Hey, what's up? Please, please make a challenge giveaway, brother, for people who can't afford like me, or $49 PayPal giveaway. So I would like to do a giveaway, but right now I am doing a free webinar this weekend. I think you should really pull up. If you're looking for something free, it's one of the best things because I'm giving you knowledge and my insight, and I'm sharing with you ways that you guys can make money for free. And I will most likely be surprising the people who will be there as well. So, but just be there this weekend. If you're not part of the webinar already, you can DM me webinar so I can get you in the list. and it is completely free. So would you rather get something for free, or would you rather learn how to trade for free? You know, you can give somebody a fish, or you can teach them how to fish. A lot of people are gonna want the fish because it's the easiest way, but once you get the fish, what about when you're hungry again? You know, you're gonna need a fish, and you won't be able to depend on me. Let's go back here. So guys, this account right here is pretty cool. I started with 188 bucks, as you guys could see, and only blues since then. And then look, go here, bam. Took this account from 188 bucks to 361 bucks. So I pretty much doubled it in less than a week. Pretty good. I like doing these types of things with myself sometimes just because, like, you know, it's just like a little challenge. It's pretty nice. If I, it brings, it humbles me. It also, I like teaching myself lessons every now and then. Like, you know, I'm used to prop firms a lot. So I've got accustomed to prop firms and spoiled with prop firms. So it's nice to put my feet on the ground and like remember where I came from, and like also if you can't flip 100 bucks, you probably can't flip $1,000. And if you can't flip 1,000, you're not gonna be able to flip 100,000. But yeah, let's check out the DXY real quick. What up, Juan? The thing is, we can't afford challenge, Brody. I'm in Nepal. I know you can't, but you can afford the time to be in the free webinar. Challenges what really helps us. I don't think so, brother. I think you're not wrong. You know, I'm not saying you're wrong, but I'm also saying that free education will help you more than a free giveaway. Just pull up to the webinar, and I'm telling you, you will learn something guaranteed. And I will surprise the people who are there. Yeah, it's true. I'm gonna close my position at 116 in profit. Boom. And this is with a small account, guys. Well, I just made like 100%. It's funny. Now let's go back here. There shouldn't be any positions open. I'll be looking for a trade soon, guys. Just let me close these positions real quick. Um, Asha, can you DM me on Instagram or on Discord? The links are on the description, so I can get you in, and then also like that. I know who you are, bro. Bots suck. I have there's this one account. Fucking they promote. They pass it in 1 to 2 days. FTMO, my Forex funds, all these prop firms. Don't fall for this shit. Bots are not guaranteed. I'm testing it out, and it sucks. Completely sucks. 2 days in a row, back to back. Like, look at this. This is the bot. This is why I don't really like using bots, guys. Bots suck. Um, yeah, I like to test things out before I advertise them and use them on you guys because I know a lot of you guys like bots. So, boom. I can show you way more things with bots, but it's just scary. You guys, I don't want to scare you guys with people. Boom. And Sorry guys, that I'm in this position. I've been in this position since last night. I'm up 150, 160 pips. So I'm trying to close positions. I have a couple people who I manage their accounts and they're funded, so I want to make sure that they can request withdrawal. Um, and then I want to focus on these new positions for the day. Boom. All right, perfect. We're done with these people, his accounts. Who else is here? Just you and me, Juan. Just you and me, Juan. Is anybody in any positions? Let's check out the DXY. That's what I wanted to do. Before we check out the DXY, gold is looking nice on the forward time frame. If we can trade above 150 area, we could possibly catch some buys. Um, let's see if it doesn't matter if price rejects 157 area and just goes down to 155, 1955. We could catch some nice buys around 1955. Now, the nice. Let me remove these lines as well. Just, I like adding these horizontal rays when I'm in entries already. That's how I sort of use the horizontal ray to sort of help me plan my entry. You always want to plan every trade, guys. What I mean by plan every trade, know when you're gonna get in, like where you'll get in, when you'll get in, know where you'll get out when you'll get out, right? Know the price you're willing to pay, where your stop loss will be, where your take profits will be. Your take profit one, two, three, four, five will be. Um, and then also have try to trading is a game of probabilities. So try to weigh out your probabilities of where your trade will go. And the upside, downside, will it continue to trade sideways? Will it reject certain levels? So I like to use a horizontal ray to help me decide that. Like if I were to get in right now, I would put my TP right around here, right? One of my TPs, almost 100 pips away. Now that right there gives me. I'm on the 4 hour time frame. I'm a 4 hour support resistance trader. So that to me, I see here we have the potential to reach 100 pips. Now is when I'll go to a shorter time frame, right? And I'll start to look for more precise exit points and entry points. So let's go down to 15 minute actually, so we could see this much clearer. So you see here, this area was an area of consolidation prior to where price is at now. So I know that price, if we, this is the middle of the range, 1961. So now I know price, these are my two, like, these are like two areas where we could rebuy, right? We're only fit, that would be 50, 60 pips away from TPs. If we even If we even go lower, right, we can see here, let's put a nice minor level of support right around. I always look for areas where there's a lot of reaction so I can know where price could want to react. This is a nice area, 959. So 30 pips, that would be my TP1. Then another 30 pips, TP2. Then if we look another 30 pips, right around here, boom, 1963, another 30 pips. And then we could put another level. And these can play as minor levels of support and resistance as well. So now I know where I'm willing to take profit, break. Like if I'm in the trade now, okay, I'll break even here. Boom, stops to break even. Then my TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, and so forth. Just how if I were in this position, I'd be getting out somewhere around here, 1955 area. That would be like my stop loss. But let's remove that. It's just a little. That's how I like to trade, guys. You guys will have to use the same thing or do the same thing I do. It's just what helps me, and it helps me a lot with planning my trade. Banana. 30 minute, okay. So also another thing that I'm seeing here, guys, 30 minute has no bottom wick. So let's see how this candle closes. There's a good possibility that we could enter this trade soon. 1 hour. Nice, nice. Asha, I got your message. I'll reply to you soon, okay? Let me finish the live stream and I'll reply to you after this. But I just got you. Wow, that tea is really good. All right, let's just double check. We have news today. It's Thursday, June 8th. We had unemployment claims today at 8:30. What? That caught me off guard. That really did caught me off guard. But unemployment went up, as you guys can see. So, okay, unemployment went up, which explains gold's price going up. Now that makes sense. Now this makes sense, guys. Okay, nice to see I was able to capitalize off of that though. Let's check out the DXY real quick. DXY is probably not doing so good considering the unemployment claims that were released. Yeah, look at the volume that we're having on DXY. Although on the DXY, see now this comes from the 4 hour time frame. Why is this horizontal line there? I don't think it's accurate at all. So I'm gonna be fixing this so it can be accurate. And always be sure that your levels are good and accurate, guys. There's nothing wrong if it's not accurate. Just make sure you fix them, because it could impact the way the it could impact your trade when you get in, when you're getting out. So that's why I always like to make sure that my areas are nice and good. Now this is 4 hours. I always use a horizontal line for 4 hour and daily. So we're gonna go here, 1957. Ooh, wow, 1957. Nice. Let's check out Nasdaq as well. guys, so let's start looking for positions now. Christmas Raja. Oh yeah. Um Christmas Raja. Yes, JP, we deserve a challenge giveaway. Dude, I've never even seen you here. If you're here if you're here for the next 30 days, I'll give you a free challenge. But you have to be here for the next 30 days and you have to literally have to acknowledge you for the next 30 days. Not gonna make it easy for you guys to get this challenge. You guys want a free challenge? Okay, deserve it. You guys gotta work for it. Make you guys work for that shit. I'm not gonna give you a challenge just for free because you guys think you guys deserve one. I already told you guys. You guys have a free webinar this weekend, and none of you guys. Well, Asha, you did say you'll be there and shit, but none of you guys have said thank you or anything like that. None of you guys have been excited for a free webinar, free education, free knowledge. Like you guys want me to give you free shit. I'm not gonna do that. Nobody ever gave me a free challenge. What up, Jimbo? I saw a DM, brother. I'll reply after the stream, brother. No worries, just let me know. I'm good, brother. Everything great, dog. How about yourself? Looking for a trade. We're just waiting for candle closures, waiting for trades. Just waking up here. Nice, nice. Our time frame. There were news and gold just yeah, we had unemployment claims. Unemployment claims um was at 261,000, so they went up from previous unemployment claims. So it's not a little bit concerning. 233,000. I think my dog is a little hyper right now. I'm like hearing him. I'm getting distracted because I keep hearing him in the background. Look at gold. I actually got in on gold last night at 1940. I got in at 1940 right around here. And I just closed my positions not too long ago at 1956. If I show up every 30 days, can I get a challenge? Dude, you're asking for a lot, bro. You're pretty funny, Raja. I, why did it have to be a 50K challenge? Actually, I'm pulling up on your streams for 1 week, bro. I said 30 days. This is non negotiable. I'm the one giving it away. You can't just make the rules. And that kind of made my morning, brother. Kind of made me smile. Thank you for that. But no, I'm not gonna give away a 50K challenge just because you're here every for 1 week. 30 days, 30 days, and I decide the challenge to give away. Maybe it's a 5K challenge. You told me you're from Nep. Are you from Nepal as well? I think Asha is from Nepal. Where are you from, Chris Raja? Are you serious? Sounds unbelievable. What sounds unbelievable? The the entry or the what I'm telling you, Christmas Raja? I never heard of it. The free challenge, I never heard of it. Oh no, it's up, Jimbo. I'm not giving away a free challenge. I'm not. Don't think I am because you hear this. Asha had came in late earlier and she was telling me to give away a free challenge. She's from Nepal and over there they can't afford the challenge size that they want, but they can afford different challenges, or they can start off with like 20 bucks, 50 bucks, but they'd rather not. Anyways, she was telling me that they deserve. Yeah, it is tough for Nepal, but dude, I live in the U.S. and I deposited a hundred bucks into my broker account and flipped it. The U.S. I could, and I'm like, not to belittle anyone, but dude, in the U.S. it's like our minimum wage is way higher, and the money we earn is much more. So like, if I can turn $100 into something, I'm pretty sure people from Nepal can turn $5 into $10, and $10 into $30, and $30 into $50. But they just choose to start high. Guys, I'm gonna be very blunt with you, and I see it often, and I'm only telling you guys this because I get DMs from a lot of people. I get, you know, and I see it, I'm observing it, and I'm studying people. You don't have to start with the 50K challenge. You don't have to start with the 100K challenge. You don't have to immediately get funds. Like, dude, you start at the bottom, level your way up, flip accounts, you know. And majority of people, like, that's why you guys stop trading, because you guys are so desperate to get out of a situation that you're in, you know, and because you're so desperate, you're willing to go all in or put all your eggs in one basket. But what happens when you fail? Because most people fail, and trading in 99% of people fail. Because when you fail, you stop trading because you don't have the funds anymore, because you don't have the money anymore, you don't have that drive anymore. And then you're just delaying yourself, because when you fail and you don't have the money to keep going, you're gonna stop. But guess what? That person who was putting in only $5 to flip their account, they're still going. They're still going. But because you stopped, you're delayed now. And then your only solution is to go on somebody's live stream and ask for something for free, hoping they give it to you. Like, I had to, you know how many times I had to work? I went broke so many times trading, and I had to go and get a job that would pay me whatever they would pay me. I had to work for a whole month to save up for a small challenge size. And guys, I'm not a hypocrite. The reason I tell you guys this is because I was in that spot too. I was once there. I was once that person who would go all in, fail, delay my process, and then start all over again. So that's why I'm telling you guys, it doesn't help. It doesn't work. Like, yes, people get lucky. Yes, it could work for some individuals. There's individuals that study for 2 years and then they go all in, boom, and they hit. You know, like, I'm not saying it won't work or that it doesn't work, but guys, majority of the times it does not work, and I've been there. Focus on keeping the momentum going. Focus on keeping the ball rolling. Try not to stop the ball from rolling. Well, let's wait for a retest on gold. If I'm gonna buy, I wanna buy at 1954. So I will be waiting for the retest on gold. Will not be buying anytime soon. Let's check out Nasdaq. Nasdaq. I'm from Kerala. Kerala. Where's Kerala? Or where's that? Let's see where that is. Where is Kerala? Kerala. 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 It's in India. It's in India. I have a couple friends from India. I want to go to India. Ooh. I've been thinking about. Mm. We're just being patient, guys. Waiting for an entry on Nasdaq or gold. Gold, I'm waiting for the retest though. So let's see if it goes without us. It goes without us. Definitely not catching sales on gold and Nasdaq. I would sell below 14,300, and I like the buys above 14,400. So we're sort of like in this no trade range at the moment. So we're gonna be extremely patient, guys, for now. For Nas, do you wait until the market opens? Not really, not always. Depends, to be honest. Like if it's there's not a lot of volume, um, sure, I'll wait. Because typically when market opens, the volume will kick in. But sometimes I've caught entries before market open, and sometimes like right now, for instance, it's 9/11. So if there's no setups playing out, I would just rather wait an extra like 15 minutes. I've already waited like since I was here, so it's been almost an hour since we've been here. 45 minutes, so it doesn't hurt to wait another 15 minutes. I'm not here for I asked for basic challenge, bro. Reason I make $95 a month with $0 with zero savings. If I make around $700 and I could get a visa to USA and work for some job and start my journey, that's all. I'm not here for 50K challenge. Basic challenge works for me. Yeah, JP. At Asha Lala deserves. Don't worry, Lord will help you. Facts. You said the most holistic words, King Joy. The Lord will help you. Whether it's through me giving you a challenge or whether it's in another way, but the Lord always helps. He is absolutely true, right? And I actually read like I'm not even trolling you or anything, Joy. Like, I actually read every day one page, like scripts from like the Bible, and So it's crazy you said that because it has something to do with what I read a couple days ago. Starting next week, guys, I will probably be going live a little earlier. So I've been thinking about going live earlier, so um, we'll see. I just like the fact that New York market opens at 9:30, so it's like, you know, I think the best times to trade is from like 7:30 to like 10:30. I didn't expect that you read scriptures. Yeah, I mean, I read one page a day because this book is a daily insight book. It's a good book, brother. You should definitely read it by Zig Ziglar. And you're supposed to read one page a day for 365 days a year. But in reality, you're supposed to read it one page a day, 365 days a year, but every year. Um, and it'll give you like so it starts off like it'll give you like the a phrase, right? It'll start giving you like the like a lecture on like, you know, the whole objective of the scripture, and on the bottom it'll have like a couple like a verse, one verse from the Bible that relates to that like topic, right, or that lecture, and then it asks you two questions every time. It always asks two, or maybe sometimes three, but it asks you two questions so that you can reflect based off what you read from the lecture, and then it ask you how you relate to that, and then it'll give you another verse on the bottom. It's pretty cool, pretty good book, pretty good book. It definitely is like a nice, and I always read it after I wake up, like in the morning. I try to read it just so I can have a nice spiritual day, But I do my part. I'm not gonna say that I'm like very very religious and all that. Like that's my way of practicing my religion, which is pretty cool. GP, help the girl, man. Lord will bless you 100x. Let there be light in her life. She already DM'd me, brother. She will be helped this Saturday, June 10th, at the free webinar. Like I said, I will surprise everybody who's there. So, damn, that tea was delicious. Hey, buddy. What's up, buddy? What are you doing? Do you know the time of the webinar to make room in my working hours? I think I put it here because I was actually gonna release it the time today. I think be. I think the webinar will most likely be around like 12 p.m. or 3 p.m. What time do you work at, Jimbo? Curious. No. Also, now, Asha, now that you're here, also, what time is it in India right now? I kind of want to see, I want to plan that out. What up, Kay? Everything great, brother. Everything great. And yourself? 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., but I can make room for it. Okay. Yeah, it'll probably be around 2 or 3 p.m. It's 6:48 p.m. Okay, so 3 p.m. would be like um nighttime for you guys. Asha, if you come to the USA and you come to South Florida, let's just say when you get to the USA, you let me know and I will promise you you'll get a job. That I can guarantee. I will help you. I will go out of my way to help you get a job. That I actually love the fact that you asked me for that. I love helping people in those ways. That shows that you're willing to put in the work and you're willing to go and grind for it, not just get anything for free. But there's a lot of places that you can apply to that I would help you apply and you'll get the job, whether because they know me or because they're looking for people. But you could even get a job working like $20 the hour or $15 the hour. Nasdaq market, New York market opens in 9 minutes, guys. EU is beginning to fly. EU. I haven't looked at EU in a long time, brother. Although it's a high liquidity pair, I don't really like trading EU. I like trading gold, Nasdaq. Let's go here, here, boom. Oh, let's see. So far, we don't have the volume that we need. Let's go down to 30 minute. All right, now we just wait. I like the sells on Nasdaq, to be honest with you. I really do like those sells on Nasdaq. And if we get the sells on Nasdaq, um, just we're just kind of in this no trade range though at the moment, so we want to be very careful. But the sells on Nasdaq is what I like. We could have a small stop loss. That gives us almost a 1-to-1. Patience, patience, boys. Market opening in 5 minutes. Let's check out the DXY again real quick, guys. I always like to keep track. I always like to keep track of the DXY just because it's very vital. Um, it's a very important pair, especially it's an inverse pair to the gold. So if gold's going up, DXY would be going down, and vice versa. So I like to always keep track of it. And the DXY, if it keeps melting, we could see continuation on gold, and Nasdaq, we could see Nasdaq shorts play out as well. If we break this level of support on DXY, um we could see something messy. Now I am anticipating a retest on gold. Although I am anticipating a retest on gold, I am not going to just short. I rather let the shorts play out. I rather miss out on 100 pips, but I rather catch the big move. And I also just noticed that there was a nice trend line that played out. So I love my trend lines. They be playing out pretty clean. Not my trend lines, but like I love trend lines in general. Yeah. Okay. Now this is playing out. Let's wait for this 15-minute candle closure. And actually, if we get an ass, let's wait for this candle push. But hopefully, the trade doesn't go without us. But if it goes without us, guys, it's okay. All right, guys, we're gonna wait 1 minute, guys. Less than a minute, actually. Entry would be 14,326.7. Stop loss would be 14,345. 14,345. And TP1 would be 14,300. Let's see how we open up. Damn it. I don't think we're gonna get our entry, guys. And I don't like our entry down there. I don't like it here. We're already in profit. Okay, we're getting near our entry, guys. We're only a couple pips away. Alright, I will be okay. Let's see what price wants to do. Alright, I'm in, guys. I'm in. 14 14,343. Damn, we just instantly got clapped. 14,357. Yep, my stop loss just hit. Damn. Tell me it's gonna hit our TP now. Let's see something else real quick. I'm willing to give my trade a second chance, but alright. I'm giving my trade a second chance, guys. Oh my god. Not. What profit from an account size do you use, JP? My Forex funds and nations. What's the DP here on this trade? 14,300. Dude, if this trade hits his stop loss again, 14,300. All right, so if we lose this trade, if we win this trade, we should be able to be in profit for the day because we only lost we're almost like at our 1-to-1. If we lose this trade, we should have lost about, well, I would have lost 1% because I'm only risking 0.5%. And if we win this trade, we should be able to make back the 0.5% that we lost and be up in profit on some. It's not looking like, not looking too good for us right now, Charlie. 1963 gold. Jesus Louisius. Woo! That is nice. That is just nice. And gold got stopped out again. Just closed my position, guys, on gold. So lost 1% on gold. Damn it, bro. 1964 on gold. See what we do at this level. 1965. Very curious to see what we're gonna do at this level. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame real quick. The daily, weekly, and then the monthly's on. Monthly just flipped, guys. We were just talking about that earlier in the stream. The monthly was just bearish and now it has flipped. It's nice to see it flip. Great things are coming with gold. Nice, nice. Hopefully we retest on gold now. If we retest, I wanted to retest just so we can catch the buys too. I want to catch the buys on gold, but not in the stream. Just no, I'm not jumping on gold yet, brother. I'm not. I'm actually done trading for today. Um, just because I lost two trades back to back, so that's it for me. But I mean, we can. I'm still willing to catch gold off the retest if it comes down. But I don't think it'll be during the live stream, brother. It'll probably be sometime midday or later in the evening. That's when I'll get in on gold. And I don't want to get on sells to catch the retest because we can just continue to rip up. I don't see why Nasdaq is trading at this area. Nasdaq really disappointed me. What's up, doggy? Chillin', chillin'. How about you, brother? Sheesh. Were you in gold? Nice, nice. Dude, that's no better feeling than that. Going to sleep and then waking up to profits, or going to work out and then coming back to profits. We AU longs. Oh yeah, because the dollar was definitely not too good today. Look at that. I, any pair against the dollar is doing good. I caught gold yesterday before I went to sleep, and then I woke up today, and I didn't know there was unemployment claims. And when unemployment claims came out, it was bearish for the dollar. So fucking caught 160 pips off gold. Gold beyond 70? Yeah, I think so. But not but let's see. We have this level of resistance here as well, so we'll definitely be waiting to see how we react around this level about around 1970. 1975, 1950, 1925, those are all quarter points for gold and psychological areas for gold. So we'll definitely be keeping an eye out on gold around those levels, and we are nearing that level. 1970, 1970. But let's see, we could reject. Look, we've for the past hour, we've been doing is just going up. So we could see a retest. So we could see some retracement before we continue break 1970. So anybody who's willing to get into 1965 now to catch 50 pips, you could, but it's risky. Make sure you put low lot sizes. Make sure you leverage correctly. It was so textbook. I've never traded AU. Yeah, you trade it often. Fire. That's pretty nice. At least you have that one pair. Gold is my pair. I love her. She's beautiful. Well, what do you like? Which one do you like more now? Like gold? I can't. I don't have time to trade GJ, bro. GJ's I have to be up for London session and shit. That's like the session that GJ performs best. Fuck that. Which one? Oh yeah, dollar be trading that pair. GG's. It's that's the one that's called the DAX, right? But on some people's it says DAX. Probably like Nas. Nas on some people's account on platforms it says US 100. Some people says Nas 100. Some people will say Nasdaq and shit. Yeah, but I since I trade accounts for people, I have different people. Like my Forex funds, I have the funded trader, FTMO. Like FTMO, for instance, has it as wait, is this the account FTMO? Where is it? Where is it? FTMO has it as US 100, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, US 100 cash. And it's trippy at first because in my Forex funds will have it as NAS 100, and then the funded trader has it as US Tech. It's not even as NAS, not even as NAS, or not even as US 100, just US Tech. Tap it, baby, real good. Dude, gold is at 1966. You gotta talk to her nice. No, I'm not in this position anymore. Um, huh? Oh yeah, Jimmy. Yeah, he's right here next to me. He like he's putting up. I think he's hyperactive right now. I think he just got bored. I heard him running around the house over there, and I'm like, what the fuck is he doing? I heard him getting on top. Yeah, I did. I saw him in the back. I was like, this guy. When he pulls up, it's probably because he's bored, wants to keep me company, whatever. But he's good. He's a good trading company. He just likes to chill there. Don't you have a dog too? Don't you have a dog too? Oh, are you breeding them or no? Ooh. Damn, I should have held this position on gold. I didn't expect it. I mean, I didn't care that I didn't hold. Hell yeah, this shit would have been paying me real good. It would have paid for my dinner. It would have paid for my dinner today and lunch. But nah. Even though I don't feel like I missed out on this. It's just nice to see it play out. Like I think I've overcome that feeling when you like that should have stayed in the position feeling. You know what I'm talking about? Now I just get excited. Like even if I'm not in the trade, I feel like I'm in the trade, but I'm not in the trade. Yeah. So today it was kind of questionable for me. Today I had two. Right before I don't know if you saw, but right before you got on, I called two Nasdaq trades and they both hit stop loss. I think right now it's like in stop loss. Yeah, it's right where it hit stop loss. And then, but luckily, I only risked 0.5% on this one, on these both trades. So I only lost 1%, but I'm still in profit because of the gold trade. 'Cause on the gold trade, I risked like a quarter of a percent and caught like 160 pips. So I've been on gold. I was on gold yesterday night, 1940, and cashed out today at 1956. Yeah, I was anticipating a retest, and I didn't even know unemployment claims came out. When I saw unemployment claims came out, I was like, that makes sense. But I'm still expecting a little retest. Hopefully, I can catch gold at 1950 again. Yeah, it caught me off guard. I didn't, because yesterday I went on Forex Factory, but I guess yesterday when I went on Forex Factory, I didn't click today, Thursday, June 8th. I was on yesterday's, so I didn't see news. I just saw this. So I was like, okay, no news today. Perfect. Yeah, unemployment for the Canadian. So there's no news tomorrow, Friday. And now I'm not caught off guard. How come there might? Oh, look, more. There probably is news. No, there isn't. Fire. Bank holiday on Sunday for AUD. Monday is no news. Tuesday CPI. Next week is next week is gonna be something else. Yep. Yeah, I feel you. Right? It's like it's complicated. Dude, well, what is scary now that I think about it was gold at 8 a.m. was trading at 1944. If the news would have been bullish for the dollar, we could have seen gold trading around 1930. It works though. Hmm. How many pips did you catch? Have you caught so far? 25? Wait, but here is this one. Is that I don't know how AUD is the price range where you go like that, and it'll tell you this number right here is like the pips, the price range. This one right here. Where is this one? Oh, but you use a price measure, I think, right? Um, no, so it'll be if you click here, look, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven tools down, and then it'll be this right here, one, two, three, four, five price, the price range right here. Damn, sir. What's your and your TP is what, 150? No, Raja, I haven't made the 100K off one trade, but I've made like overall, like in my span of like lifetime of trading, I have made the 100K. Kind of, you have me thinking there, dude. If I would have saved all that money, but hey, at least we're saving now. It's actually one of my goals, but I have other goals for now. First, I have to. Yeah, the think first I want to make like 25K off. I want to make first like 20K off one trade, and then I want to make. Then my second goal would be like make 50K off one trade, and then my third goal would probably be like make 75K off one trade. But that's the goal, to make 100K off one trade. That is the goal. But yeah, it's pretty 100K trading. It took me about like a year. Let's go. Been training for about 2 years, brother. 2 years, actually more than that. Because I used to train. I used yeah, I've been training for around three. Because well, here's the thing. When I first started trading, I started trading options, and then I went. So I traded options for about 2 years, and then that's when I switched to Forex. And then I've been trading Forex for about 2 years and a half, around there. So it's been almost 4 years trading overall. But my Forex journey started when was COVID? COVID was 2019, right? Yeah, so 20 my Forex journey started 2021. So yeah, 2 years. I mean, yeah, Chris, with like trading and like mentorships and a whole bunch of other shit that I sell, yeah, roughly. I mean, it's I do this full time too, so it's like, you know, so it's the only thing I do and what I do and what I breathe and what I sleep and what I wake up to and what I eat. And I like it. But But the learning process never stops you, right? But you gotta start somewhere, right? You took action when you started learning, so that I think that's when your trading started, brother. Now you started getting rewarded. Started getting rewarded for it once you got the funded, and then you got paid for it. But yeah, facts. Yeah, it's quite debatable. I mean, it's debatable because you gotta like I tell everybody you don't have to be in a position to be trading. Like I could be like right now we're trading, you know. Although I'm not in a position, I'm still trading. Like you know, I'm like looking at like the charts. I'm on the charts, you know. But you don't have to be like in a trade to be on the charts or to be trading. And then once my live stream finishes, that's it. Like I stop trading. Like I'm not. I don't look at my phone throughout the day. I don't look at like I don't be in the computer, throw my thing, like look at a trade and be like, oh shit, I'm gonna get in. You get me? Like my business hours are from 8 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Like that's like my trading time. But I mean I'm still a trader because like after like I'm still like I don't know. Like if I'm reviewing my trades, I don't consider myself trading. But yo Chris, they're a little weird. Do you live with your family alone? I live with my family, brother. If you are alone, I want to rent a room. Sorry, brother. The room that's vacant is for my dog. My dog needs his own room, bro. Um, yeah, a lot of people. That's actually like it's a good topic to talk about. Just because like a lot of people feel like they're not. Like, how do you say it? They're not traders just because they don't have an account, but that's not necessarily true. 'Cause, dude, you know the discipline it takes to have an account, especially you can relate. Like you have a funded account, and you know the discipline it takes to like have a funded account and know that like you can get in a trade and make money off this trade. But the fact that the fact that you know you shouldn't get on this trade because it's not the time or the place to be trading, like you know, so that right there is being a trader. Like psychology, that you're mentally strong. Like a lot of people fail in that aspect. You think so? Oh well, yeah, that yeah. But to me, trading my facts, 100%, 110%. Now the thing about having a live account, I value my live account way more than a funded account, and I'll tell you why. Because a funded account, I know I can just buy a challenge, pass it, get it funded, get a payout. With a live account, it's like the all the money that was like, I feel like it's like I just value it because it's mine. One and two, like, dude, like I did not waste. I'm not gonna waste my time flipping this bread from here to there to just burn it all. It's like, so it's like frustrating. But with a funded account, like, oh, like you could just like, oh, whatever, I'll just buy another one, or I'll just pass it. I can just fund it, and then it's just that's why I have different accounts. I have a total of three accounts. I have my live, and then I have my two prop firms. And then I with what? Yeah, that's the way to go, bro. Because it's like that, you can fuck around if you want to, and you still have your account. If you lose two trades and you want to see another entry, you can still take it on another account if you're up, and and it's just you don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. How much does a room cost in your area? A room in my area costs I don't even know. For you, probably. And I know in Orlando, I had a girlfriend in Orlando that she wasn't really a girlfriend, but whatever. She was renting a room for her and her friend 500 each. They were sharing the room, and I had like, huh? Yeah, but here in the raw, the room is probably going for like 1,200. Yeah, look, let's see. Man, we're in the raw. Hey, room. Look at this shit. Fucking gives me. Oh, look at this. $299. Full size room set. I don't think this is. Look at this. Look at this. 900 first. This, guys, when you see the studio, it means room. $900, 1,050, 1,200. Yeah, it's funny. Dude, look at this. $2,000. Yeah, pretty much cost $100. Do you have Do you have a MFF 3? No, I don't have a three. I don't have a 300K account. I do manage a 300K account for a investor of mine who has one, but she doesn't have it with MFF. She actually just got paid out right now. So you just reminded me. I have to hit her up. She hasn't paid me for my percentage. Um, Expensive tax. 33rd. Oh, I know where it's at. 107th and 33rd. That's 33rd and one. Oh, I know where. Yeah, she lives like in back of Back of a CVS, I think. Yeah, there's a that's like a nice centralized area to be in because she's got like a Chick-fil-A in the corner, Wendy's, CVS, Winn Dixie next to her, with like a couple restaurants there. She's got the turnpike right there. Nah, to Orlando, like going turnpike all the way. How much profit did you make in her 300K account? 5%. 5%, and then she requested withdrawal. Right on 63rd. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a stream here. What were you gonna say, brother? My bad. Yeah, it's getting bigger. And oh, by the way, you know that area where in front of your home goes, you know that like land, that huge ass lot. They're building there now, so it's gonna be even bigger. They're gonna have more things. But yeah, but it's just they're all just keeps growing surprisingly. Got it, bro. Everybody, thank you for pulling up. Guys, remember the free webinar on Saturday. So DM me webinar if you haven't, if you are interested. And we caught two losing trades today, but tomorrow we'll come back stronger. And don't blow your accounts, guys. If you guys caught the trade with me and are gonna continue to trade, and I hope everybody has a great rest of your day. Peace. Finish.